I'm home alone with the baby, and we're waiting for Mom. What else going on? I'm just gonna kind of chill here all day. Today the baby started reaching for things. She reached for me this morning, which is like super cool. And now she's just laying on the bed here with me. Oh, hello. One of the things I do from time to time to calm down the baby is I play my bass guitar. Then she projectile vomited. This one here wakes herself up by flailing her arms and legs around. So now it's like we have to swaddle so that she'll get some sleep. What you thinking, honey? Are you having a good day?
Dad's in his baby tea.
I'm tired.
Good morning, baby. Oh, stretchies. Oh.
Guess where we're going? How you doing there, baby? She did like a little smile. Nice shades.
Sweet Minecraft shades.
I just slipped and fell on a death trap. It doesn't even look like a death trap, but I got mud all over the bag. The baby bag. How are you doing, wife? Mom's out there with the baby.
This is a baby.
Mm-hmm.
She's the cutest baby in the whole world. I am a mermaid. Mermaid.
What are you thinking about, baby? Thinking about all your life decisions you've made so far and how they've gotten you here?